Now I'm putting the detail colors here. So let's put the shades in the shari. So the dress is going to be like this. Awesome. You can see the shades of the wrinkled part is going to be like this, and it has a dark shades around the, you can see here the dividation points. Okay. And these parts also you can put the larger shades. All right. Okay. So you can see the shades going on here. Very nice. All right. Okay. This is a traditional Indian dress, you can say, and its name is sari. The people in South Asian countries, especially in India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan, they used to wear this kind of dresses. We're going to put shades of the, the light green color to make a shade variations here. Okay. There's like a shadow of the another color, just mixing the synchronized parts. Okay. This is going to be like this, connected to these points. Okay. And you can see, all right, the connections. Okay. So this is the outfit. Now for the hair, we're going to put the colors with the pencil, just filling up the borders. And put some rags of the hair just to show the styles which is included within the hairstyle design. Okay. And the body part, it's going to be the orange, but before that, let's put the red color here. For this dress only. So it's the red color. Let's put the red. We always try to make it a significantly uniform and a solid color, so that the coloring of the upper dress looks good. Okay. All right. Now the body part, we're putting the orange colors. It's a bright color for the girl. Orange and yellow, there's the mixed color combinations. Okay. So the total drawing, maybe it looks like a little bit cartoon shaped, but you can see the figure shapes and the gesture. like she's sitting here, maybe doing something. So activity is generating. You can see the activity. Okay, after putting the color, the whole picture is going to be bright and clearly visible. Okay, and you can see the another portion here. So this is the exposed parts. Okay, all right. Only a light strokes you can put like here. Mm-hmm. And a little bit here. Okay, maybe we're going to put the darker tones. Okay, and these tones here. All right. Okay, and at the bottom let's put some crayons so that we can show the ground here. All right, awesome. So the drawing is clearly visible, looking nice. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.